Alam mo bang hindi lahat ng student visa ay eligible to renew within Spain or dito sa Espanya? Hola a todos! My name is Colleen or Coco, and ngayon let's discuss short-term visa and long-term visa. Usually, eto yung mga namimiss ng mga applicants na nag-DIY ng kanilang mga student visa. So, take note, if you're planning to apply for short-term student visa, hindi siya renewable within Spain. It's only like 90 to 180 days. So like for example, if your study is just good for 100 days, it will fall under short-term visa. And you cannot renew within Spain. You cannot renew within Spain. You cannot apply for a work, and you are not eligible to bring your family members. So like for example, spouse or mga anak gusto mong dalhin dito sa Espanya. So short-term visa is not eligible for that. Long-term visa naman, if gusto mong mag-master's degree or long-term courses, so you're eligible na mag-work for 30 hours per week, and pwede mong dalhin yung mga dependents mo like your spouse or your children. So take note the difference of short-term visa and long-term visa. If this video is helpful, follow for more. See ya!